Hi, Steven. Again, thank you very much for asking all the questions. You and Abby are amazing, so I'm really happy. But basically, if we look into the ramps, okay, it's in a catalog, so it's all official. So if you look in the catalog, there's options called PDJ02, PDJ03, PDJ04. They all have different prices. So basically, if you would like to raise it up to 64 centimeters, you can use just one ramp. Okay, that's going to be more than enough for you to work with. However, if you look at PDJ03, this is the one that's 4 meters long. So it starts from here and all the way here. Then with this one, you can go between 60 and 80 centimeters. That means this ramp is designed to cover this whole area up to 60 and 80. So if you want for 40 centimeters, I don't believe you can use that one. You need to use something like this smaller. And if you want to use up to like a 1 meter, again, you need to use something. Yeah, you need to. This is 80 centimeter and then goes up to 1 meter thing. So this is what you will need. If you want to go further than that, then you need to use something like this, and the minimum height here is going to be 1.2 meters as a minimum and goes up to 1.4 meters. So this is the examples. Again, you can find them on the AluStage's website. It's the AluStage catalog. It's old one, but they don't change much here except for probably some of the names. But again, this is still valid. And however, when as per you said your calculations, I think Abby said your calculations is needs to be a factor of 12. The problem is we don't have such option. I will explain to you why. So if we need to raise a height of being 60 centimeters, okay, this calculator, you can see 60 centimeters. And then if we have a factor of 12, that means we need to have a ramp, length of the ramp to be 7.2 meters. I mean, even this ramp, and I consider this is quite a long ramp, even this ramp, it's like here, okay, even this ramp is only 6.6 meters. It's not even 7 meters. So if we stick to like the, as you said, the regulations, as you shared, as 7, as a factor of 12, I don't think we have the option to give more than this. So I'm not sure what to do, or we have to make it a very custom version. But again, the math is going to be the same. So if the height needs to be 60 centimeters and we multiply it by 12, that's 7 meters long ramp. That's very wrong, very long. Okay, so or if we need to raise up to 1 meter, you understand it's going to be 12 meters long. So if we have 1 meter times 12, that is sorry times 12, that is 12-meter long ramp. That's very long ramp. Again, if this is the regulation, it is the regulation, then we do not have such ramps, okay? Or this manufacturer is not doing, or they will have to make it custom, and it's going to be, it's going to take time to calculate. But I want to show you that this is how the ramps are calculated, and you can send them like if you want the pictures, and this is how they look like. But we don't have the option of going with a factor of 12. I wanted to make a video just so it's going to be visible instead of the writing.